guys, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं 2020 hasn't been a great year for anybody of us. और Mumbai is pretty famous for the nightlife, restaurant, street food. यहाँ के bars, pubs, fine dining. These all are very popular, right? लेकिन this year has been different and कुछ लोग हैं, there's still some people who are actually fighting it out because things are very different पहले से. Earlier it was very easy, आप कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट में जा सकते थे, you could call or book on a Zomato table. अब काफ़ी नए rules है, timings are different than the usual mask sanitization. So today I'm planning to go to this fine dining restaurant which is also very urban, very cool, very young. It's called Yazoo. It's in the heart of Andheri Lokanwala. Essentially it's a pan-Asian supper club. ऑलरेडी मैंने इनके फूड के बारे में और सर्विस एवरीथिंग आई हैव ऑलरेडी हर्ड ग्रेट रिव्यूज. इट्स रियली यमी फूड एंड टुडे आई एम रियली होपिंग फॉर अ ग्रेट डिनर एंड ऑल्सो इट्स ओन्ड बाय माय फ्रेंड रणबीर नागपाल एंड आई थिंक ही इज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब इन सच सिचुएशन. आज भी रेस्टोरेंट दे आर फाइटिंग इट आउट. So let's go and check it out today. Welcome to Industry Wants to Know Season 2. Today we have a very special person, my childhood friend, Mr. Ranbir Nagpal, and he is the co-founder of Yazoo, which is a very popular place especially in Lokanwala. It's a pan-Asian supper club. It's very popular. How are you, Ranbir?
Very good, brother.
How have you been?
Very good. God is kind.
Yeah. How did Yazoo came up? What's the story behind Yazoo? How did you get the inspiration? How did it all start?
So the idea that came from Yazoo is that when we travel internationally, we've been to these amazing places, and these amazing places serve amazing food, amazing vibe, amazing cocktails, but that was missing. That's missing in Bombay and that's missing in India. So here India is a very big place, right? So we can start from one corner.
Yeah.
So my family was in the, as you know, restaurant business for
the last
20 years. And we were looking at doing something new. So Pan-Asian food is something that I love, and which is an instant favorite with Indians. Everybody wants to eat Pan-Asian food maybe 3 times a month. And we've all graduated from eating the roadside Chinese, and now we all understand what quality is and what good food is. So we wanted to bring that together. So I got in touch with a couple of my childhood friends, and we decided and we put our brains together, and we thought that we want to open a Pan-Asian restaurant which has an amazing bar, which has an amazing vibe, and which serves excellent food.
So Ranbir, my next question is, as you know, ये साल 2020 has been very difficult for all of us due to COVID-19. Highest जो लोग hit हुए is the travel industry and the food restaurant industry.
Correct.
This has, I'm sure ये बहुत difficult phase होगा आपके लिए, and how did you cope it up?
It has been a very difficult, it has been a very challenging year. It has been a year where it has tested all of us. We've been fortunate enough that we have come out of it, but there are a lot of people who didn't make out of it. हमारी priority थी our staff, who has been with us and who has helped us grow and Yazoo become what Yazoo is. So our priority was to take care of the staff and also the customers who've been loyal to Yazoo. How do we create a safe environment for them to order the food? How do we create a excellent dining experience when it comes to delivering the food? Because dining in had absolutely shut. And the first 1 month we didn't know what was going to happen. So we made sure that all our staff stayed in one room, एक जगह पे रहें और एक साथ में रहें, and they have minimal interaction. And we made sure that उनके पास इतना सामान हो कि उनको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े. Because ultimately COVID spreads when you meet different people and people you don't know. More importantly, so अगर ये दुकान में जाएंगे और दुकानों के अंदर पहले ही भीड़ है या रस्तों में भीड़ है, because there are already people जो परेशानी में और जिनको घर के लिए सामान लेना है, it is going to increase the chances of number 1 them getting COVID, number 2 that interaction going to the customer. So we tried to cut that up. A lot of our staff went back home. जिन्होंने घर जाना था वो घर चले गए, जो इधर थे then we started the delivery. And I think we were shut for a month and a half, and after a lot of demand from a lot of our customers, हमने delivery चालू की. And what we did is कि we put different people different role के अंदर. जैसे cashier है, cashier का इतना काम नहीं है, लेकिन delivery का काम वो कर रहे हैं.
Okay, interesting. हाँ, you cut down on the
so basically what happens is कि मतलब Zomato के ऊपर आदमी order करता है, लेकिन Zomato के अंदर again कि कौन आएगा, कौन खाना लेगा, बाहर का आदमी आएगा. So we are guaranteeing that the customer gets good food with the same environment. So the cashier stays with us, or the waiter or the captain stays with us. The person who comes and takes your order, and that is the same guy who will go on the bike and he will drop your food.
Oh.
So end-to-end safety for the staff, for the customer, at the same time trying to survive.
What are your plans in future? अभी आप कुछ और restaurant के बारे में सोच रहे हैं या this year are you going to go low profile? Or are you planning something new in your life with the fine dining restaurant business?
Growth is always constant.
Constant.
Growth, I think the next step is to how to grow, how to become bigger, and how to do the next thing. We opened Yazoo Goa, as you know.
Oh yeah, Yazoo Goa. Guys, there's Yazoo Goa, which is also very nice.
So we opened Yazoo Goa in January. That shut in March because of COVID.
COVID, yeah.
And then we started again in November. I think November first week we started, and the response over there has been phenomenal because Bombay ke andar the restrictions are much more. Goa ke andar go with chutti pe. So the response over there has been much better. There is a plan for doing another Yazoo in Bombay, which is going to be next year in the mid. Hopefully, if everything goes according to plan and everything goes touch wood, everything is fine. Why not? Definitely, we are looking at growing this brand, and we are absolutely committed.
Are you happy? I know it's a very tricky question, but are you happy with the local administrative people about the policies, about the timings of the restaurant, or it's little bit difficult? Like, are you happy with the local
yes, absolutely, we are very happy.
They've done a great job.
The government has done the great job. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray as a CM has done an excellent job in trying to see the situation, because this situation is anyways not in anybody's control.
Yeah.
Right, so they've been very helpful to the hospitality industry. They've been very kind in terms of the timing and the allowance and how they are treating people when a staff goes home. So they are not very strict in terms के मतलब staff को परेशान नहीं करते, so on and so forth. So it has been very good. We absolutely appreciate the
because
efforts.
1.5-2 CR का populated congested city like Mumbai को इस सिचुएशन में कंट्रोल करना, उंगली उठाना बहुत इजी है, बट आई थिंक द गवर्नमेंट हैज done a like really great job.
Excellent job in terms of supporting the business. They've understood the problem of the restaurateurs also. They've understood the problem of the cops also. They've understood the problem of the people living in the city also. So in the situation that we are in, they are doing an excellent job.
Now I think every year from your this 21st 22nd December से लेके जो 3rd 4th Jan का जो main patch है, it's the best for all the restaurant guys. Now, due to a sudden lockdown in Mumbai because of the new virus, don't you feel it's going to hamper your business because 11 p.m. is your...
Definitely. Yeah. Definitely. That is something
so
that is...
So, what suggestion would you give to people just to come early, like they can still eat, drink?
People need to come in early, but people need to stay safe.
Safe.
I think safety is number one priority.
Yeah.
Currently, we are very strong as a community. We have to get together as a community.
Wow.
It is not advisable to blame another person just because I want to have a good time.
Yeah.
Ultimately, this is a virus that is affecting people's health. जिसको नहीं कर रहा है, very good नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन जिसको कर रहा है उसको बहुत बुरे तरीके से कर रहा है. And this situation is in London also.
Yeah.
अगर आप देखो London, Europe, everything is shut. At 11:30. So अभी जो है वो सब जगह है. Ultimately, that is what it is, right?
So how's the response of Yazoo? I know it's become a very popular place. Are you happy with the response? And
of course, we love. Fortunately, people have loved what we want to do. When you start a restaurant, or when you want to start a restaurant, it's like making a movie. You have an idea that you want to make a movie about, and then you have the script, and you have the director, and then you shoot the movie, and then you hope that people love your movie and people appreciate it.
So, how important is the chef when you talk about?
Chef is key.
Is the key.
The food quality is the key. The chef is key. The kind of food that comes out is priority. In which Chef Karma is the magician, and his hand is mind blowing, and his the flavors and the food that come out of his kitchen are phenomenally good.
I'm basically from Tibet.
Wow.
But yeah, I'm born and brought up in Bangalore itself.
Okay.
I did my HM from Bangalore itself. After that, I did management training. So I specialized in Japanese cuisine with Toyota company. Yeah, after that I moved to JW Juhu before. And after that I worked with Hilton, Conrad as well. So yeah, it's been a long journey for me. My journey has started within the hospitality industry. So I have learned a lot. Passion for food. So I have that imagination when I was a child. And As per the kitchen, yeah, I love my work, and I gain a lot of knowledge from it, and I experience a lot of things in life as well, because it taught me how to be patient, how to listen, how to tackle down all the possibilities within shorter times. Yeah, so it's been good experience so far. Yazoo dish, we consist lots of varieties. We serve Asian food, but mainly we focus on Japanese, Chinese and Thai. So we have categorized into different sections. So we have sushi item. In sushi also we have non-veg and veg items. So for the sushi lover, they will love it because we have lots of varieties of sushi as well. And we have Cantonese, Chinese, we serve dim sum as well. So in dim sum also we have categorized into different varieties like veg and non-veg. In that also we have steam, fry, pan fry. So we have lots of option for the customer.
So we are in the kitchen of Yazoo. The chef looks really busy. There's too much stress going on in the kitchen right now. It's busy hours at Yazoo. And Chef Karma is doing all his karma. Food is one thing which connects everybody, right?
Yes, definitely.
So what's happening right now is on the online delivery order, what the Chef Karma is supervising. So it's a very busy kitchen at Yazoo right now. It's 8 p.m. Too much rush. We are in the kitchen. Hello Chef. आपका नाम क्या है? पंकज जी देगा। वो ये कौन सी नूडल्स है? मैगी नूडल्स। ये वेजिटेरियन है क्या? हाँ जी। और ये मशरूम्स है। So mushrooms look yummy. Lots of things getting fried. It's a very hot atmosphere. Some dim sum. Some steamy dim sum. जितना खाने का मज़ा है उतना ही डिफिकल्ट है. The kitchen was buzzing, but the aroma of the food was awesome. It was a great experience at the Yazoo kitchen. Too much buzz happening right now. Too many things frying, lots of noise, lots of flames. It was a great experience. Let's go to the DJ. We have lovely music as well. And then we go to the bar. Hey man, what's up? What's your name?
My name is Leon.
How's it going?
Going good.
What music are you playing tonight?
Playing old school hip-hop.
Old school. Ah, guys, we love old school, right? So Ranveer, what is so special about Yazoo? Why should people come here? What is so different from other resto bars?
We call it the Yazoo experience.
Yazoo experience.
It's called the Yazoo dining experience. Matlab, from the moment you enter till the sit on the table, when you order the cocktails के अंदर से we have a green jade garden special cocktail called the green jade garden.
I'm gonna try that.
Which which is made with fresh turmeric, with gin.
Oh.
And basically you smoke it. So when they pour it on your glass, वो अंदर से धुआं निकलता है.
So actually ये काढ़ा है जिसको इन्होंने अल्कोहल के साथ मिक्स कर दिया है.
Herbal
काढ़ा.
Herbal drink है. So from that to the food and the way the food comes on your table, we have a lot of desserts that are very trending.
Yeah.
Like your chef ka pull me out, which is where you have a tiramisu and you pull it out and the whole thing oozes out.
Wow.
So the moment you see it, you want to eat it. पहले आदमी आँखों से खाने की कोशिश करता है और फिर करता है. And then of course then it's about the customer. So for us everything is about the customer. We want the customer to come, we want the customer to enjoy. At the same time we want the customer to be responsible.
They also got a lovely bar. So how is the bar thing going? If anybody ends up...
So we want the customer to come, we want the customer to enjoy, we want them to be responsible. So definitely don't drink and drive. In case you have one too many drinks to drink, don't worry, we have a valet outside who will drop you to your house.
What? Seriously?
Yeah, absolutely.
पहली बार सुना है कोई रेस्टोरेंट ओनर जो ड्रिंक करने के बाद आपको ड्राइवर दे रहा है अपने घर तक. So guys, all you guys who enjoy drinking, Yazoo is the place. This is something unique.
मतलब ये वैसा हो गया कि आपको इधर आना है, आपको घर तक छोड़ने की जिम्मेदारी हमारी, कि आप घर पहुंच जाएंगे.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So Yazoo was a great experience, and I think I'm loving this pace of going to different places and exploring food and people. तो मिलते हैं, see you next time at some new place, maybe on the streets or a restaurant or a fine dining. With me, enjoy every bit of your life and food and passion about food, and I really hope you guys are enjoying as much as I am.